Today we're going to make a slushie in the Mag slushy machine. I'm going to make a cherry slushie today. I've got a 4-to-1 mix that I have to do. So I'm going to do 2 gallons of water to the 64-ounce container of slushy syrup mix. So we'll go ahead and get this in. Now that we have got the slushy mix in the machine, we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on here. And then we're going to use this button to change this between the freeze, which is the little snowflake. You can also put it on the overnight or juice mode. That will keep it cold but not keep it the freezing running. And then the clean mode is where neither light is on. So we're going to do the freeze, the viscosity. Let's do this here. You're going to press, this is tank A or B, and you're going to press that to adjust the viscosity of the machine. It goes from 1 to 10, 1 being the softest, 10 being the hardest. I have this one set it as a 5. And then the button over here, so we've got the machine ready, this is going to make the spinner spin. So if I turn that off, the spinner is no longer spinning. But because we are making slushy, we need that on. So we're going to come back in 60 to 90 minutes and see how our slush is doing. Well, we've had the slushy machine going for a few hours now, and we are ready to enjoy slushies. Let me give you a close-up look of the icy texture we have going on. Looks really nice. Let's pour a glass. Look at that. So again, this is the Mag slushy machine. These tanks together hold 6.4 gallons. So just over 3 gallons a piece. So you can do 2 flavors at one time. I'm just doing the one tonight. Tonight, because it's still so full, I'm going to store this in the cold mode, which will keep this cold, but not form the ice all night and give a little bit of an energy savings. Tomorrow, fire back on the ice and enjoy more slushies.